Hey guys, it's Livy Lou, and today I am going to be doing a slime review on Momo Slimes. This packaging looks really good. It's like a holographic rainbow kind of thing. It's so cute. There's a little bag of candy. Very sweet. It's delicious. Okay, so it has instructions. It's really good. So we got, this is a thing of clay. We got pumpkin cream pie. This looks so good. Ooh, it smells so good. Okay. So this is pumpkin cream pie. It looks like it's like a crunchy slime. It has cute little glitters at the top, and it smells really good. So feels so soft. It's super crunchy too. Oh my gosh, it smells so good once you actually get into the slime. It smells like a vanilla cookie with pumpkin, like a pumpkin cookie. So it's obviously a crunchy slime. It's so soft. So for texture, it feels like it's super soft. It's like a clay, nice like buttery texture, and then it has these little plastic beads inside, and it smells so good, so good, so good. Sound, it's not too like, the poke doesn't really make a sound because it's like a butter crunchy slime. So what I really like about this slime is how soft it is, and it just feels so nice on your hands. It's like a marshmallow fluffy. It's inflating a lot. It's like getting a lot more fluffy. It feels really nice. So I definitely love Momo Slimes. I love the slime. It's really good. It smells really good. And if you want to go check them out, I'll put the link in the description down below. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and hit the bell button so you'll get notified whenever we post a new video. See you guys next time. Bye!